Hello, beautiful people. It is Friday night here in the Philippines, BGC, Metro Manila. And I want to go see the Festival of Lights at Ayala Triangle. So it is like the most beautiful thing ever. My husband has been there and he sent me videos from there and I was like, oh my goodness, I need to be there. So today is the day I want to go see it. And but before then, I want to go see the fireworks in BGC. So there's fireworks in BGC every Friday. So we are going there now to go see it. And then after the fireworks here in BGC, we are going to go over to Ayala Triangle to see the Festival of Lights. So the Festival of Lights is the most amazing thing ever. I can't wait to see it. So we are going to go there. So I'm just going to show you the fireworks here a little bit. But the main event of the night is the Festival of Lights at Ayala Triangle. This is the vibe here, for the BGC fireworks. There's always like a big crowd here. I was here last Friday to see it, and I was alone last Friday, so I'm here with my husband this time around. So this is the vibe actually. So by the time the fireworks is about to start, this road is gonna be closed up with people. People are gonna block this entire road, from motorists to see the fireworks. And after the fireworks, it usually takes a while for people to leave the road for cars to pass again. I'm going to show you guys all of that. It's really cool. The fireworks here is really amazing. I've done a video about it already, so this is like the second time you're going to be seeing the fireworks. But today's video is not really about BGC fireworks. It's about the Ayala, Festival of Lights. So we just want to see this first before we go over there. So if you're new to the channel, you're welcome. Do hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so you can be seeing videos from me every time I post them. I truly appreciate all the support. So it's about to start. They're gonna start like in 2 minutes. So this road is gonna be closed up real soon. So we are here for it. So because of the rain, people are like trying to get shade, but the rain is stopping, so they're gonna definitely come back into the road. Yeah. So we are here for it. Let's see. 4, 3, 2, 1. deer. That is beautiful. So after the fireworks in BGC, we set out to Ayala Triangle Garden for the Festival of Lights. So we are currently at the One Ayala Mall, the new mall here in Makati, at the Ayala Terminal. There's a mall right there, so that's where we are. We've vlogged in this mall before, if you can remember. Wow, these are very nice candles. Very nice. I love candles, scented candles. Alright, so let's just head straight to the garden to do for the Festival of Lights. Alright. The last time we came here, they had just opened, so some shops, were still closed. So we are seeing like more shops open this time around, and even their Christmas tree is now open. Before they were just setting up when we came, and now it's all open. So cool. And then that shop over there, that steak shop, was also closed when we came. Now it's open. So yeah, it's opening up more and more, So we're just passing through to get to the garden. So this is a good mall to come to. It's still very new and fresh. It's not crowded or anything. Yep. So this is the restaurant, the Japanese restaurant, Ikinari Steak. Whoa, so beautiful in there. They're having a private event right now. Dennis is here, this 24-hour, 247 restaurant. Then what is here? Tower. One Ayala West Tower. Okay. This place is all lit up, so nice. So this is Makati. I've not been here in a while.
It's the last one.
Okay. It's still drizzling a little bit. So which way are we going?
I'm just going straight.
Straight, okay. Alright. I've not been to Makati in a long time, so it feels good to be here. Makati is beautiful. Everywhere is lit up. This is Ayala Avenue actually. And this whole area, they call it Ayala Center. Behind me is Ruston's. It looks so nice. And it's so big. Is this still Glorietta? Yeah, it is Glorietta. So this is Glorietta Mall. Glorietta has 5 buildings. So this is one of them. It's one of the luxury shopping malls here in Makati. So personally, I feel like Makati is more luxury than BGC. There is more money here in Makati than in BGC. BGC is just, you know, just there. But when you talk about like expensive places, Makati is much more expensive than BGC. And even like condos, for example, like the same condo buildings we stay and all of that. If you want to get something good, like it's cheaper in BGC, let me put it that way. Whatever you want to get in BGC in terms of size and all of that is more expensive here in Makati. I mean like the new Makati, obviously, like the places that look like BGC, like the Central Business District or something, right? The houses, the condos here are more expensive than what you would get in BGC. So interestingly, BGC is actually cheaper than its counterpart here in Makati. So we're currently just making our way down to, you know, our destination. So we're gonna go up here. Yep, so out of the underpass. I think it's a long walk. It's a long walk to where we are going. But I don't mind. It's my opportunity to get my steps in. So every opportunity to walk is welcome by me. Because I really need the exercise, like need it. So one more underpass. And we are where we're going to. So this is where we're going. We have 7 minutes walk down to the place. I like these underpasses. I think this is my first time. Yeah, it is my first time using the underpass. I've never used it. So this is cool. Just go under to cross. Actually, there's one more underpass. That was not the last. This one looks like way bigger. Oh wow, this is bigger and fancier. This is beautiful. Beautiful with flowers and everything, and screens for adverts.
Yes.
This is beautiful.
Lights to come
Ayala Land. Ayala kind of owns Makati.
Makati Stock Exchange.
Woo! So we are almost at the Ayala Triangle.
Wow.
Let's go see the Festival of Lights. So we are like going for the last round.
The last
It's from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. So it's almost 10, so we're just going to catch the 10 p.m. show. Wow. All right, so we're out here. The jeepneys are always so noisy. Oh, this way, okay. See Shangri-La,
Yeah.
the Makati Shangri-La. Yeah, oh my goodness, see this building. It's so beautiful. Like the shape and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so nice. Oh, we are here. Oh, wow. The place is quite big.
Of course, it's called Gardens. Garden.
What?
Garden. Very big.
That's not what I was thinking. So where's the thing gonna happen? Down there? Oh, see my manam.
Our building.
Try this one, madam.
What time do you close?
Chicken chop.
What time
One
do
of
you
our
close?
bestseller.
Because of the show.
Until 10, sir.
10. Ah,
It goes
that's
by 10.
5 minutes.
Try it, ma'am, sir.
Chicken chop,
Lots of burger. Bacon.
burger.
Burger and fries.
I need to buy something actually.
Let's wait and go.
Yeah. What can we get? This place is so beautiful and the show has not even started yet. But the lights are like so much already. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. This is fine. Oh dear. What? Oh my goodness. So the main show is about to start. You can't see me, it's also dark. So like even without the show, this is really nice. I said even without the show, this is nice. Are you sure they're going to have a 10 p.m. run?
That's what everybody here is waiting for.
Ah. Okay, because it's like 3 minutes past 10 and nothing has happened.
Let me ask Marshall this.
Maybe it ends by 10. Well, I hope there's one more. Let it not be that I came all the way here and I missed it. Okay. I think it's over. It's over, right?
They're closed. 9 to 9:30 was the last one. They said so.
Uh-oh. It's alright. So I missed it today. I'm gonna come back. I'll come back to get it another day. It's alright, but it's beautiful though. Still fine in its own little way. So where's that fine building? Okay, that's it over there. That's it. So what do we do? Can we still sit and like relax?
I mean, this is a garden.
Okay. Let's sit somewhere here.
People.
Need to get a drink. They've turned off the lights, so it's over, like over. So I've stepped away from the garden. It's behind me, so there's this place you can just sit here to eat. So I'm just here gonna eat my manam. I got some manam, you know, and it's called the Filipino comfort food. And right now it's actually really gonna comfort me because I just missed the show, the what's it called, Festival of Lights. I missed it. I thought they were gonna have the last one by 10 p.m. but the last one actually ends by, as in it's the last one starts by 9, not 10. It starts by 9. So I missed it. So I'm just gonna have this comfort food and really comfort myself this evening. So I'm gonna come back another day. I don't know if tomorrow will be possible, but I'll come back again and try to get it, you know. So we're gonna have that some other day. So for now, let me just have this manam. I got chicken chop and rice. So Today, the manam is really my comfort food for today. You want some? Have that. Join me. Okay, you're good. Mmm, very good chicken chop.